In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make new Snapchat account after being banned. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings. On the settings, get into general, then iPhone storage, then search for Snapchat, and that's where first off we need to upload Snapchat app. After the app is uploaded, you need to reinstall it. To do that, tap right here where it says reinstall app, then just wait for the downloading process to complete. And after a while, when it's done and it says offload app again, we can hop out settings, and then we need to head over to the App Store. On the App Store, search for VPN, and then get any VPN app. Here we got a ton of different VPN apps. Some of them are free, some of them are not. Just get any app because we need to use VPN to make new Snapchat account. Once you get VPN app, turn on VPN on your device. We can easily check if VPN is turned on in settings. Right here, this toggle button next to VPN must be turned on, just like that. Once it is done, open up Snapchat app, tap at sign up, enter first name, last name, and hit add continue. After that, select your birthday, hit continue. On that step you will be able to change your username, or you can use that one. Then hit continue again. On that step we need to set a password for our Snapchat account, and once it's done, just tap add continue. Then we need to enter our email address, or we can use our phone number instead. And also we can just tap right here where it says hide my email, and then iCloud will generate a temporary email that we can use for making a Snapchat app. To continue, just tap at continue and then finish. After that, we need to enter a phone number for our Snapchat account, or we can just skip this step. Then we can search for friends. We can add several users to our friends, or we can skip this step as well. Tap add skip or go back and select friends to add. Also, we can invite some contacts, or we can also skip this step. And then, as you can see, I have just created new account on Snapchat after the Snapchat banned my main Snapchat profile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.